Sometimes you may meet some problem while operating the lock and you need to reset the lock. This video will tell you how to reset the lock for iPhone S200TM and S200MF. First of all, remove the back panel. Then take one battery out. Press the reset button for 2 seconds. And then put the battery back. And press the reset button for 10 seconds until you hear a beep. Okay. The inductive light will become blue if succeed, and if the operation is successful, the master code will be recovered to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can press 0 pound key to open the door directly. Let's try. Press pound key to start the lock, then press 0 pound key to open the door directly. If you can't use 0 pound key to open the door directly, it means you didn't operate it successful. You need to go back and do it again. Okay, it's successful now.